Yes, I am here to do some upgrade and replace the red card and the hard drives. This is the data center for America Online. It's a really big data center. The systems each has 4 terabytes of hard drive, and as you can see, they're up and running. In different locations, they have different ones, but these ones are the ones I worked on today. This is the one I worked on, and you can see I'm running the test for them. They are just fine. I can now be able to replace them and go ahead and start the process of testing other systems. As this one is done, so it's working just fine. Okay, so I can move on now to the next one. Time Warner. Oh, did I say it's Time Warner? Yes, America Online Data Center. Okay, it's still going. different sections. But our job is done. It's time to close up and leave. This is what we do for living. Work on data centers for different companies. We are just a small business. We are not high-end business. But if you have any data center that requires maintenance, feel free to call PC-Tex. You have our number, 1-800-280-9733. PC-Tex. We will be here to help you for your cloud computing or just your regular server maintenance. That's what we do all the time. All right? We hope you have enjoyed it and see what we do. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye.